So in 1 minute we'll start. 1 second. Let this is going.
Yes, sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Okay. 1 second. Let this completes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What
Okay,
was
sir.
your doubt? This is related to this one only, or any other doubt? Your doubt is related to this question. This
Fine, sir.
say we were. So vertex, see every point on the parabola, every point on the parabola will satisfy its equation. So many points are there, infinite number of points are there, but difficult to locate exact positions of other points. Easy is basically vertex. Vertex is very easy to locate. So this is 2 comma 0.
Sir,
Yes, Steve.
the question I had was relating to this formula over here. Why would you take minus here?
Where this x minus 2.
Yes, because the x, I mean the point of intersection of the parabola and the x-axis is on the positive side. So
Correct,
why
correct, correct.
negative?
Why negative? Good question. See, negative positive is important, but most important is that na, this graph equation of the graph, because ultimately we are getting the equation of the graph. Ultimately we are getting equation of the graph, equation of the parabola. So equation of the parabola will such that this will all the points on the, suppose if I take plus 2, suppose in this case, suppose here let me write for this one, let us see for this one graph, for this graph. So let me take x plus 2, no doubt, x plus 2 square, let me write. So this we got as a equation of parabola, equation of this curve is parabola. So we can say this is equation of parabola, no problem. So if we take all the points should satisfy this equation. Main concept is in graph theory, or we can say for any graph, straight line, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, straight line, any circle, if the circle also satisfy all the points on this graph, no, on this point on the parabola will satisfy the equation of the this parabola, this equation basically. So if you take other points are difficult to locate. Suppose if we take 2 comma 0, vertex is very easy because we know maximum and minimum point. So vertex is basically 2 comma 0, and this vertex is also lying on the parabola, lying on the parabola itself. So this vertex will satisfy. Satisfy means left hand side. If you put this point here in this equation, so left hand side and right hand side value should be equal. Satisfy means left hand side and right hand side value should be same. So if you take left hand side value, so x is 2. So 2 comma 2 plus 2, okay, because you said we can take 2. 2 plus 2 4, but y side is 0, y value is 0. So 0 is equal to 4, no, 0 is not equal to 4. And if you take, suppose one more point, let us take, because vertex is easy to identify, easy to locate. Suppose one more point we take, this one, 1 1, this is point A and this is point 2, 1 1. So because x1 and then y1 we got from this value. So one, because on graph paper also you can see, you can identify, locate the exact positions of the point on the graph on the parabola. If you take 1 1, y is 1 and x is 1 plus x is 1 plus 2 square, 1 is equal to 9, not equal to cross, not basically equal. So equation will be such that it satisfies the all the points will satisfy that equation. So if we take, suppose now we take y is x minus 2 square. Now we can check, suppose if we take 1 comma 1 or 2 comma 0 also. So if we take 2 comma 0 vertex position, because vertex is lying on the parabola, so we'll check it's satisfying or not this equation. So y is 0 and x is 2, 2 minus 2 0, 0 equal to 0, correct, because ultimately this the equation is for this equation, or equation is for this parabola only, and this parabola or this curve, on this curve this point is lying vertex 2 comma 0. So basically this point will satisfy, means point will satisfy this equation. We have this concept in straight line also. If we have a
So
straight line,
sir,
yes,
you're saying that the equation will differ in each graph?
graph, right, because different graphs will have different equations, correct. Suppose we have one straight line, this one, this one will be for, suppose this is 3 and this is 3, so the straight line will be x plus y equal to 3. Now this is straight line 3 3, because how we got this equation, simple. If you take x0, y will be 3, y is 3, this point is suppose capital A 0 comma 3. If you take y0, so again x will be 3. So at this point B point, x is 3, y is 0. So easily we can, 2 points is required only to plot or to draw a straight line. So this is the basic equation. So any point on the graph, suppose this is one point, we can plot this point on from the graph paper, this is will be 1 comma 2. Suppose 1 comma 2 will satisfy this equation, 1 plus 2 3. Suppose this is 2 comma 1, sorry, 2 comma 1, this will be 1 comma 2 d point. 1 comma 2 or 2 comma 1 is satisfy the equation. Basically all the points on the line, all the points, infinite number of points are there, so all the infinite number of points will satisfy this equation. Means left hand side will be equal to right hand side if we put xy values of the point in the equation. Similarly for a graph, for other graphs also, for parabola, for circle, for hyperbola, for any other graph, points is there, so they will satisfy. Similarly for this case also, if we take plus is there, suppose if we take this vertex 2 comma 0, we know this is vertex 2 comma 0, so y will be equal to minus 2 plus 2 square. So y is basically for vertex 0 and this will be minus 4. 0 is not equal to minus 4. That means our equation is not correct, because if equation is correct, then all the points, vertex is one point on the parabola, but other points will also satisfy its equation. Means left hand side should come equal to right hand side. And now we can, if we take y as minus of x, minus is there because
Sir, I think there's some disturbance.
right. This Deja and Jazbar on this side. I have muted. No problem. See, y is minus x minus 2 whole square. Minus is because graph of parabola is opening in downward direction. And now we can check the point 2 comma 0 vertex point in the equation. So if we take 2 y 0, no problem, x is 2 minus 2 comma 2 square, 0 equal to 0. So that means it is satisfying. So that means this is correct equation of the parabola. Minus 4 opening in downward direction and x minus 2 because it's shifting right hand side. Shifting right hand side. So how much, see by how much amount it is shifting? 2. So we can take x minus 2. Correct. One last one. Got it, no? Any doubt? Samrat, you had one doubt, no? You can ask, no?
Yes. What will be the equation if the graph would be not up and not down, between it?
Between, not up, not down.
Or,
Good question. That question was, I was about to give only. No problem. We'll see. See, suppose now we have one last question, because actually we are doing extra things, but last one to clear this concept. Suppose we have parabola, we have simple parabola but going in upward direction, and this is the parabola, and this vertex they have given as, suppose vertex not given, and we can plot the points now. So we know this vertex will be maximum or minimum point in a parabola. So suppose this is 1 2 3 4 5 equal gapping 1 2 3 4 5, and we have to write the equation of this parabola. Equation we have to write.
my question was a little different.
Okay. Not shifting right, not shifting means question both not shifting right, okay? Not shifting right or left, you are saying. What was your question?
No, sir. Can I use my pencil on your
No problem.
this graph or on your board?
Sure, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay, this is your question. This is graph is inverted.
Yeah.
Okay, for this graph, what will be the equation we are saying? Right?
Yes, sir. I was asking what was the equation for it.
This is your graph, and for this graph, you are like this. What will be the equation for this graph? Right? Same question.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
See. Okay, we'll see one by one. First, this question we all can try, and we'll see this one also. So, suppose let me draw once. Say this is one, actually graph is opening in actually x direction, or exactly we can say minus x. So see, always try to relate, basically try to understand the pattern. now this is the graph, suppose basic first one. So it's passing through 0 0 vertex. Vertex will be 0 0. So for this we know y is equal to x square. No problem. Now suppose we have this graph here. Opening in upward direction, positive upward, y equal to x square. Now suppose we have this one. Same 0 0 vertex but opening in downward direction. Y equal to minus x square. No problem. Because vertex is 0 0 same and opening in downward direction. So y equal to minus x square. No issue. Now if we invert, now suppose we have this graph opening in positive x direction. Here it was positive y, then y equal to x square. Positive y, then y equal to x, so y will be positive, x can be negative or positive values. Now here this now y value will always be negative because graph has this now minus y values, not plus y. So graph will always be negative whether x is positive or negative. That's why minus x square. What will be this equation of this graph? Because it is opening in positive x direction, so it will be reversed. In place of y we will write x because it is in positive x direction, so x will be equal to y square. Now question how we can check and verify. X is y square will be the equation. Suppose if we take y0, x will be 0, no problem. If we take y1, this is 1, x will be 1, fine. If we take y minus 1, this is minus 1, x is 1, x will always be positive. Y2, x will be 4, y minus 2, x will be again 4. Got it? Means our this equation is correct because all the points will satisfy the equation of the parabola. This is also parabola but opening in positive x direction. This we can write, otherwise we can write y equal to root x. Y equal to root x also fine. And
Yes, sir.
x is equal to y square. This is not discussed in our this chapter because y is basically polynomial px. The polynomial px is root x. So fractional power of x will come. So we have this now. We don't have fractional power of x. That's why this is actually now we have one rule also. The fractional power of x will not take. Fractional power of x will not take. Only we have seen that concept positive integer value or positive integral value. Power of x will be positive integral value. Power of x will be in polynomial. We have power of x is positive integral value. Positive is there because we can write px as x to the power 1 by 2. Px as x to the power 1 by 2. It is positive. 1 by 2 is no doubt it is positive, but fraction value will not take. Integer we know. Integer we can represent by minus 4. Integer we can represent by I, and this value are dot dot minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot dot. This will go on. So this is integral value, means integer 0 and more than 0. Basically positive integral value we have to take. So this becomes fraction. So this will not be considered as a polynomial. That's why this graph is not discussed in this chapter. So but this will be x equal to y square, similar but reverse order. In place of y, we'll put x. So this will become x equal to y square because nature is reversed. Opening in upward direction, this one, and here we opening in downward direction. Got it? Now this will reverse. Now from this graph we have this equation. Now we reverse the graph will open in x direction only, but we can say minus x here. No problem. So this will be x
Yes.
equal to y square in minus sign. Same as this one. Y is minus x square. Y was here minus x square because y will always be positive. Why this minus x? Because say y value graph is in here. So y value will be, say suppose 1 point is here, y is negative. 1 point is there on the graph, y negative. 1 point here, y negative. 1 point here, y negative. Always y negative. In this case, for any value on the graph on the parabola, x is always negative. X negative, x negative. For this point, x negative, always negative. So x is y square. X is minus y square because y is positive negative. Always x will be negative, right? And for your case, we can say, this will be shifting, basically shifting in right hand side. So others can also say, means anyone if they are knowing. So shifting in right hand side. So this is the graph, and suppose this is the point. Let me plot 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. So Samrat, you can also answer and others can also try. What is the equation? Basically we are shifting the graph opening in negative x direction and shifting by 2 units. So what will be
X equals to minus y square.
same, x equal to minus y square, same equation. So other students can try. Otherwise you can also write idk, because see, same, x is minus y square because we have this vertex here at origin. If you take x0, then y will be 0. Set is equation satisfying. But if we take here this not 2 comma 0, if this vertex will be 2 because this having minimum value. Minimum or maximum point on a parabola on a graph is basically for parabola it is a vertex. So if you take 2 comma 0, this will be 2 and this will be 0. 2 is equal to minus 0, no. So this will be wrong. Anyone can try and let me know the answer. Jeevan, Vedika, Uddhav, Tushar, Tanvi, Steve, Tanzila and other students.
So clear.
Okay, sir, can you show the proof of the equation? See, proof is not actually this now. Proof is not required only because standard equation we know. Standard equation is for I will show for this equation I will write in 1 or 2 minutes. But for this equation we'll see proof is not required and beyond the scope of 10th syllabus. Just when we can understand directly we can take standard equations and we can based on that standard equation we can identify or we can find the nature of this graph or equation of the graphs. 3. What is 3? Equation we have to write. Equation is like this one, x is equal to minus y square. So similar type of equation we have for this graph. This is y. Last 1 minute, then we'll see how we can obtain. Because shifting concept we have to apply basically. This is 0, 0 means at original position. Now these are shifted to 2 units in right hand side.
So will it be y equals to x square?
Y equal to x square. Actually, y equal to x square, we know this is the graph of y equal to x square. Opening in upward direction. This is origin is vertex. Y equal to x square, this one. Y x square. Y will always be y x square means y opening in y direction. Y will always be positive. X suppose minus 1, y1, x1, y1, x minus 2, y4, if you put that value, and x2, y x2, y4. So that means y equal to x square is equation of this graph. Opening in upward direction means positive y direction. Okay. Not getting. See, now we'll see this one. Simple thing. X equal to y square JVN. Okay. See, the standard equation we know if it is opening in negative x direction, so we have x equal to minus y square. So similar type of equation we have for this also. And always we have to see x coordinate is shifting or y coordinate. See, vertex if you write this is 0, 0, here vertex will be first 2, 0. So if you carefully notice y same 0, vertex coordinate y same 0, here also 0. What is changing? This value 0 now become 2. Basically x coordinate is changing, x coordinate is changing, x coordinate is changing. So x coordinate will change. So this x will change. This will become x minus 2 equal to minus y square. Because shifting right hand side, so same amount will subtract. This is 2 units they have shifted, 2 units it has shifted to right hand side, so x minus 2. Because this we can check by the vertex coordinate. Now we have 2, 0 as the vertex. If you put this 2, 0 in the equation, it should satisfy. So 2, 0. So this is 2, x is 2, minus 2, y 0, matching. Minus 0 square is 0 only.
Yes.
So 0 is equal to 0. That means our equation is correct. So you have to see which coordinate is shifting, x or y. X or y. So x only. So change will be there in x. So we can write this as x equal to minus y square, capital X basically. And capital X is x minus 2. Capital X means another value of x. X minus 2 is minus y square. Y same, no change in y. So x is only changing. So x value will change. X becomes capital X. And capital X will be x minus 2 because 2 units is shifted to right hand side. So x minus 2 because 2 minus 2 will be 0. If put this vertex coordinate in this equation, left hand side will be equal to right hand side means it will satisfy the equation. That means equation is correct. X minus 2 equal to minus y square is basically correct equation of this graph. Now last one now, you can note this now equation, and after this now you can try my question. This one was the question. After noting this answer, after noting this equation, you can try this one. This size. Suppose, okay, you have drawn now, that's why I cannot erase. Okay, no problem. See, so suppose let me draw once again this graph.
Should I erase it?
Erase if possible for you, because
Okay.
then I can draw. Thank you. So let me draw once again this graph. This is for last ultimate question or last question for this now concept. So this is again parabola, and coordinates are given. This is 1, 2. See, nature wise we have to say not, we can say coordinates, we can suppose, let me plot also. This is 3 and this is 5. Now it's easy, now it will be easier for you. Here also it was 3 and 4, no problem. Now we have 3, 5, 5. So this question you can try. Means you have to find in this question what was a value. So a and b value is not required because graph this now it's not in, we can say for this one y will be 2 minus x under root. For this equation y will be 2 minus, because minus is there, 2 minus x under root. That is not basically polynomial equation, so we can avoid here a value, because y is x square plus bx plus c. Only we can write the equation for this one. Only we can write the equation for this graph, and this also only equation is required, because that will not be our standard this the polynomial equation in degree 2, because we will not have this equation ax square plus bx plus c type. This is basically 2 minus x under root. That's why a is not required. Just we can write the equation. So in this question, it is shifting in both x and y direction. So both x and y value will change. That's why difficult topics is very risky to take, because most of the students feel boring and difficult to understand. But we'll see. After that, we'll see good as per the syllabus. Anyone got the equation? Okay, we can try another 2, 3 to 5 minutes time we have. Okay, it's very much close.
Sir, will it be x equals to y?
Equal to y. This is the equation.
I think.
Okay, this is one option you said. Check and you can try others also, possible answers. The even answer is, let me write here. He's saying x minus 3 equal to y minus 5. Okay, it's a bit closer, Xavier. You can try 1 second, you'll get the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, almost there, almost correct.
Sir, x plus 2 equals to y.
Okay, x plus third, okay, third one, x plus 2 is equal to y. This is a good question.
Yes, sir.
Others also getting this one, x plus 2 is equal to y. Any other option, any other answer? Okay, we'll wait for another 2 minutes.
Y equals to x minus 4.
Y equal to x minus 4. One more option, one more answer. Y equal to x minus 4. Okay. See, main thing is this is graph of this. Now this will be parabola. This is curve. So degree will be 2. Degree 2. Degree 2 means either x square or y square. Some square term will be there. See x square. Y square means y square. Y square. Here x square. Some square term will be there because we have not a straight line. In all these equations we have degree 1 only, basically 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So degree will be 2. X square or y square, some square term will be there. Not both x square y square, but either x square or y square. Because say xy is there, y equal to x minus 4 or x plus 4 for a straight line. This is equation of straight line, L4 line. This is equation of a straight line. This also straight line. This also straight line. Difference is this straight line will pass through origin. This x equal to y will pass through origin. This straight line x equal to y will be like this one, x equal to y. But others will not pass through origin, but they all will be straight line only. Because how we know this is will pass through origin? Because 0, if you put x0, y will we get 0. 0 0 satisfy the equation. If you put x0, y will not be 0 here. So based on that we know this one will pass through origin, other ones will not pass through origin, but they will be straight line only. No problem. So we'll see now how we can write the equation of the graph. See, opening in basically downward direction. So opening in downward direction and opening downward direction, and it is basically opening in basically y direction only, negative y we can say, negative y we can say. So y, so this was y is equal to x square, opening positive y. This was y equal to minus x square. Opening negative y means y equal to minus x square. This we know from our previous understanding. Y equal to x square for this one. Opening on upward means positive y, negative y, minus x square. Right. Now this only graph is shifted to here. This graph only shifted here. So both x and y are changing, but nature will be same. So y value we can write as capital Y. Simple, because y is changing because both x and y. Suppose let me write the vertex coordinate. Vertex will be x value first and y value second. 3, 5. So basically both. So vertex was initially in starting case here. So both x and y coordinate are changing. This is shifted to here. So both x and y changing. So y will put as capital Y equal to minus capital X square. Y put as capital Y minus x square minus capital X, because both and y and x are changing. Y is changing by 5 units. So y minus 5 and minus x is changing by 3 units, plus 3 then x minus 3. So this will be the equation of the given parabola. And want to check here, we can check here, we can check. See, if you plot this, because vertex is lying on the parabola, if we put this point 3, 5, then both left hand side and right hand side will be equal. 5, if we put 5 minus 5, 0, and minus 3 minus 3 again 0. So 0 is equal to 0, right? So shifting, basically we have to see, we have to check both and x, y values are shifted. So capital Y will take in place of small y equal to minus x square. This y equal to minus x square is the basic nature of this one, this parabola. And this vertex will be in this case 0, 0. So y equal to minus x square, because this is for y equal to x square. Opening in positive x square. So y equal to x square, opening downward direction, negative y is equal to minus x square. And shifting for both x and y. So x is shifted by 3 units to x minus 3. In place of small x, we write x minus 3. Y shifting to 5 units. So y will be y minus 5. Plus 5 units shifting to y minus 5. Plus 3 units shifting to y minus 3. Please note the equation and graph also. And final equation we can also get y in terms of x means px value, px means polynomial value. We can simplify this equation. Y minus 5 minus is there, x minus 3 square x square minus 6x plus 9, x square minus 6x plus 9. So this will be y minus 5 equal to minus x square minus minus plus 6x minus 9. So this will be y equal to minus x square plus 6x minus 4. No problem. So y value we got minus x square plus 6x minus 4. So a will be minus 1. Here we can take, say a value is minus 1 because this is the equation. A is minus 1 is opening in downward direction, matching value. And y we can write as px. Px means polynomial in terms of x. This is quadratic polynomial, that's why degree 2 will come. Minus x square plus 6x minus 4. Please note it. In doubt, please ask. After noting this now, you can end the meeting. And those who have any doubt, especially new students who have recently joined Chanakya tutorial, those they can stay. If anyone has doubt, anyone asks how this we are doing. Actually, this is not actually exactly to matching with this syllabus, but we have seen. But still, if you have doubt, you can ask me. I'm here till 8:15 for another 5 minutes. Anyone can stay back and then they can ask. Others can
Thank you,
log
sir.
out from the session. But after noting the equation, the final equation will be this one: y
Yeah,
or
not
px. Correct. Minus x square plus 6x minus 4.
Okay, so thank you.
Thank you. Anyone having doubt, they can stay back. And they can ask me personally because in
So
session,
the new students who have joined, sir, they need to stay back or they can also leave, sir?
if they have doubt, they can stay back. Otherwise, they can also leave. If they want to ask something, not from this session, not from this topic, any session, any this now concepts of this polynomials. Because we have first chapter is polynomial itself. So any doubt, any question from polynomial chapter, then they can ask. Otherwise, if they don't have any doubt, they can also leave the session. Varshan, Javian, Mohammed, any doubt? Rashul.
Wait, sir, how do we take the test in the topper?
Right, good question. See, in topper now we have both MCQ and subjective question. So last test was of MCQs only. So in that we can directly choose the option A, option B, option C, and option D. No
So, like,
problem.
how to write the test, sir? Like, there is no test option. It's like, is it just a flashcards or
See,
like?
when you this now link is www.topper.com.
Sir, I registered in that, sir.
After registering now you will get this now this folder will be there, icon will be there, 10th of weekly test, some folder will be there. In that way you can see weekly test is there. Weekly test will be able to see weekly test for 10th 2021 2022 batch. So in that now weekly test you can go inside and then this now options will be there. Chapter, basically chapter wise. Suppose last week we had for polynomials you can find. Then coming this now Sunday, if test is there, we'll inform you on WhatsApp group. And same, if suppose the test is there, then this same for polynomials only test will be there. By tomorrow we'll come to know, by Saturday. If Sunday we have test for polynomial, because if test is there, then this same chapter, because we have not still completed. So once again polynomial test, and also most probably this will be also MCQs. MCQs, what options we can set for, say for subjective test, what is the process? Say for subjective test, this comment box is there, but now in comment box it's difficult to write the answers. So that's why what is the best way? In comment section, in comment box, just you have to write as one word uploaded. Or suppose you are after solving you get answer 2 or 3, so just write answer 2, 3. Something you have to write uploaded or something we have to write, because if you don't write, then system automatically, suppose this is question number 5, you have question number 6, suppose question 5. So system automatically takes, suppose you don't write anything, system takes input not applicable, means this question we cannot give mark. So that's why it's very important to write something. answer or uploaded. And where we have to write, see, you have to write in your normal notebook, A4 sheet or normal paper, and then you can upload on Google Classroom. That link we will provide in WhatsApp groups. Link will be provided for uploading. So Google Classroom link will be there. Just click that link, and then you will have the option for uploading. Before uploading, now suppose we have 4 or 5 pages, so we can convert those pages and one PDF with the help of some software, Cami Scanner or any other software, or directly say. So simple process is just take this now photo, pick of that number of pages, and just paste on this Word document. Just paste on Word document and save as, and then we have this option as PDF. Just save as PDF. You'll get this now. You will get this now. Pages will be converted to PDF, and same thing you can upload in this now Google Classroom. That will be the process. Fine. No? And for
Sir, and,
right. Yes.
sir, and the second question was, sir, will we get marks in the exam if we use this method?
Which method?
So like the method you told us, right? So like the graph on y equals to x squared and all. So will we get marks in the exam by using this method?
These equations, see, in exams, now question will be very simpler, very simple, and these topics are not there in our 10th syllabus. But for understanding point of view, we have seen, because if mostly I am assuming here, mostly students will take maths in 11th and 12th. So for those who are taking 11th and 12th maths, so for those this will be this now helpful in understanding, because in 11th we have full chapter of parabola, complete chapter, and
Okay.
there will be, it will be helpful, but in 10th that will not be asked in exams.
Okay.
And for subjective question, last point, subjective question means from our side we will check, means science, for science Manoj sir will check, for maths I will check, and will give marks, but condition same, uploaded or something we have to write in that, then only we give you marks for those subjective question. Otherwise not applicable, the system will take and we cannot give marks. Fine. That is the process.
Okay.
Google Classroom link will be provided in WhatsApp group when we have subjective question. Last time we had this only MCQs. Most probably for this time also MCQs. So no need to this now upload, or no subjective question will not be there. So no need to upload in Google Classroom. For MCQs, you will immediately get the score also after submitting the answer. Fine.
Sir, is it like possible to write the Sunday test only?
Possible to write Sunday test on Monday.
Yeah, like you said, like try to attempt the Saturday test, like the test
last time
this week.
Last week Saturday test, last week test now for new joinees, you can give by Saturday 7 p.m. because that will be active till Saturday, means tomorrow 7 p.m. Then Sunday.
So like, is it possible to not write that test, or
no
like
problem.
just write the Sunday one?
Sunday will be next test of on polynomials. See, if you are getting, say, first test was on basically degree and this type of this polynomial based on number of terms, that you can attempt, because if you are understand, we had this 1 or 2 sessions, no, now you can give tomorrow. That will be helpful, because only we have I think 10 questions and 10 marks or 20 marks, and half an hour or 1 hour is the exam duration. You can give, and on Sunday you can give next test if there is there. So tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Any other doubt? Okay. Fine. Others can also log out.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you.